Are you wanting a fresh new look for your door, but are not looking forward to the hassle and expense of replacing your entire door unit? In-Home Updates has the solution for you. We have the capability of replacing your old piece of glass with something new. You can change out that piece of glass with grids to one with mini blinds between the glass, or one of the hundreds of styles that we have to offer. Our installation experts will remove your old insert and replace it with the style you selected, all in about an hour, leaving you with that great new look for your door. Don't wait, give us a call today and discover the possibilities.